Hi everyone, this situation that's been sent in reminds me a lot of my Always Blame the Learner Driver video. If you haven't seen that, you need to check that one out. Thankfully this video doesn't go in the same manner. In fact, it's probably more of a solution to what should have happened in my video. Temporary traffic lights work with sensors. They sense the vehicles that pass the lights and they sort of know the flow of traffic, but they're definitely not infallible. As you can see, my viewer's lights are on red, so there's going to be a flow of traffic coming from the opposite direction. And the traffic lights should be timed well enough to allow all this traffic to clear. In other words, when the traffic lights change onto red at the other end, there's going to be significant enough delay to allow everyone to finish. Believe it or not, people in my video thought that this wasn't the case. But problems do happen when you pass the green light and then you cannot clear the section within a set amount of time. And this is what happens here. The temporary roadworks are obviously for some branch trimming, and my viewer and a number of vehicles behind have got to wait for these guys to clear up what they've just cut down. If this is visible, don't proceed into the traffic light controlled area, wait back. But it is cleared reasonably quickly, and we can now see the vehicles at the other end of the roadworks and they're still waiting. Oops, I spoke too soon. Surely the people who are operating these roadworks know how they work. And for me, if there was going to be a blockage, they should have had a person on either end of the roadworks holding all the lights on red until they got it cleared. And now the white car that's moved has caused a little bit of a problem, and the red ones also caused an issue. One of the main problems in my clip was people's lack of willingness to reverse. And this is how generally things are going to get fixed in situations like this. Don't all keep on piling forward. Thankfully the grey van behind the red Peugeot works this out and also creates room. This helps sort the situation a lot quicker. Thankfully the reversing skills in this clip are a lot better than the lady in mine. Thanks a lot for watching everyone, and before you go, I couldn't resist.
Well done, they're absolutely off the head.